Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered a demo of our Python application which will read data from OPC-DA server and publish the data to MQTT broker. Okay, and in that we have a feature to auto browse the tag. Okay, once you click on the connect button it will automatically browse the all tag of OPC-DA server and we have an option to select those tags. Okay, but sometime what happened, OPC-DA server has a lot of tag, and if we browse the tag, if we do the flat browse, our application or our Python script got hang. Okay, so for that we have come up with the solution. We have to provide the CSV file, and whatever tag in the CSV file has, we can select from that tag only. Okay, so here you can see I have connected metric and OPC Explorer with the metric and OPC simulation server, and here we have a 4 tag. Okay, so we will not do the auto browse in our Python script. We will provide this tag name only, and based on the tag name our Python script will read the data from metric and OPC simulation server and it will publish the data to our MQTT broker. So let's launch our Python application here. Okay, so now Python main.py. Okay, our Python application is launched. Now you have to select OPC server. Okay, which OPC server we are going to connect to. So I'm going to connect with metric and OPC simulation server, and once I press connect it will give me a file dialog. Okay, we need to select the CSV file in which we have a tag. So here you can see test.csv is available. Now what is inside the test.csv file? So if I open this file, you can see we have one column, and inside that column I have 4 tag, the tag which I want to read and publish to MQTT broker. Okay, so we are going to use this file, so I have to select this file here, and you can see the 4 tag which we have in the CSV file is available here. Now we have to select the tag from this 4 tag. Okay, I want to select all 4 tag and then I want to publish the tag value to MQTT broker. So I can select all 4 tags from here. I can provide the IP address, port number of my Mosquitto MQTT broker. Publishing interval is 5 seconds. Okay, and we can start publishing. But before that, let me go to MQTT Explorer and let me connect MQTT Explorer to our Mosquitto MQTT broker so we can see the tag value when this tool is publishing the values. Okay, so it's connected. Now we can start publishing, and after 10 seconds it will publish our data, and we can see the data in this graph. You can see we have very first data here at 11:55. Okay, and the second data is at 12:00. So every 5 seconds it will publish the data, and we have that data in MQTT Explorer, and this MQTT Explorer is nothing but a MQTT client software which will connect to any MQTT broker, and we can subscribe those tags and we can see the graph of those tags if it is integer values. Python tool is publishing the data at every 5 seconds, and we have that data here in the MQTT Explorer. Okay, so I hope you got the idea that we have to upload the CSV file to provide the tag name, and we have to select the tag from that list only, and it will read the data from OPC-DA server and it will publish only those 4 tag. Okay, if I select only 3 tag here, then it will only publish 3 tag. Okay, I have selected all 4 tags, so it will publish all 4 tags to MQTT broker. Okay, so you can see it is updating the data at every 5 seconds. Okay, so this is created in the Python language. Okay, if you want to buy the script, then the link is in the description of this video. Also on the screen you will see a product link. You can click and you can visit our Shopify store and you can also buy it from there. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you, and you can stop publishing the data from here. You can copy the logs to clipboard. Okay, you can open Notepad and you can paste the log here. You can clear the log and you can do the exit of this application. Okay, so this is the basic application which I have created in the Python to read the data from any OPC-DA server and to publish the data to MQTT broker. So I hope this thing is clear to you, and if you still have any question or concern or any doubt regarding this application or regarding the product purchase, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.